everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great and are safe at home. So in today's video we are gonna do a Myntra haul part 2. So if you don't know, I have already made a part 1 of Myntra kurta haul in which I have shown a few kurta, and the remaining kurta I am gonna show in this video. So if you have already watched it, then continue watching this video, and if you haven't watched it, then again continue watching this video, and I will leave the link in my description so that you can watch the first part also. Go give it a watch. And now, without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. So before starting the video, all the links of these kurtas are gonna be in my description box. Don't forget to check the description box. And now let's just start. So the very first kurta that I have bought is from the brand called Libas, and which is this. It is a navy blue colored kurta, and it has these stripes going all over it, and these stripes are done by thread work. The material is cotton. My size in this kurta is XS, and it has this mandarin collar with button closure. The material of this kurta is really great. As it is cotton, it is breathable. You can wear it in summers and it will look really good. Also, the kurtas that I have bought are multi-purpose kurtas. So you can wear them for office, you can wear if you are a college going girl, and you can wear it in small functions. And it has this 3/4 sleeves. Now moving on to our next kurta, we have this kurta from Jaipuri Kurti brand. This kurti comes with two other colors also. One is orangish red kind of a color, and other is black and white combination mein. This kurti has this 3/4 sleeves and this pink thread work towards the end of this sleeve. The neck is round and the closure is hook and eye closure, which means this hook wala closure. And with that, it has these button detailing all over it in pink color. So these small pink detailings given on neck and sleeves give a pop of color to it, and the color of the kurta is same as it is shown in image. The material of this kurta is cotton, and my size in this kurta is small. The next kurti that we have is from the brand called Anook, which is this black kurti with white prints all over it. And the material of this kurta is really good, though it is a little thick. I don't know how, like iska material cotton diya hua hai. It is cotton, but it is a little thick, so it will be senseless if you wear it in summers. You can wear this during the time when winter is about to begin or when winter is ending, because उस टाइम पे क्या है, हम जैकेट वगैरह भी नहीं पहनते, बट स्टिल हमको थोड़ा थिक कपड़ा पहनना होता है, तो उस टाइम पे you can definitely wear this kurta. As you can see, it has this design around its neck. The neck is round and it has this button closure. The sleeves are again 3/4 और sleeves के end में भी उसी तरीके का डिजाइन है जैसा neck के around है. The kurta, the fit, the material, everything is superb. Also, I forgot to tell you, my size in this kurta is small. Alright, so moving on to our next kurta, we have this kurta from Here and Now. It is black in color, but it has this print of mauvish and white color going on. like नीचे तक. The print of this kurta is really pretty and again the material of this kurta is really good. The sleeves are 3/4 and this small thin piping kind of thing is given. Like these small details ना अनकॉन्शियसली उन चीजों को ब्यूटीफुल बना देते हैं और हम इन चीजों को ना नोटिस भी नहीं कर पाते, पर ये छोटी छोटी डिटेलिंग्स होती हैं जो कुर्ते को एक डिफरेंट वाइब और एक डिफरेंट लुक देती हैं. एंड येस, सो द नेक इज राउंड एंड द मटेरियल ऑफ दिस कुर्ता इज विस्कोस रेयन. मतलब ये कॉटन का कुर्ता नहीं है, बट स्टिल इट इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड ब्रीदेबल एट द सेम टाइम. यू कैन पेयर इट अप विद अ लाइट कलर्ड डेनिम और लाइट कलर्ड प्लाजो, व्हाइट प्लाजो. इट विल लुक रियली प्रिटी. एंड अगेन ये जो है ना मल्टीपर्पज कुर्ते होते हैं. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग ऑन डेली वेयर का कुर्ता, ट्राई इन्वेस्टिंग ऑन मल्टीपर्पज कुर्ताज विच यू कैन वेयर फॉर डेली बेसिस, लाइक फॉर योर कॉलेज और ऑफिस. And you can wear these kurtas for small functions. For this kurta, I can surely say that this kurta will give you simple, yet it will make you stand out of the crowd. So yes, definitely try this kurta. My size in this kurta is small. And now moving on to our next kurta, we have this mustard colored kurta from the brand called Varanga. My size in this kurta is XS and you can see how pretty this kurta is. Again, the sleeves are 3/4. The neck is round, but it has this detailing on its neck and it has this floral print all over it. Again, it has this small yellow colored detailing. I don't know what it is called, but it looks really pretty and it gives a uniqueness to this kurta. The color of this kurta is so pretty. Again, multi-purpose kurta hai. Again, the material of this kurta is very good. Like it is cotton, but it is very breathable. You can wear it in summers maybe, and you won't feel any discomfort, and it will look really pretty at the same time. So definitely go for this one. Alright, so moving on to our final kurta, which is from this brand called Punk, and it is this pretty kurta. The color of the kurta is sea green and it has this floral kind of print in white color. Also on its neck it has this lining wala design, and the neck of the kurta is mandarin neck. The closure is buttoned closure, but it is concealed, like you can see the buttons are inside, and the sleeves are again 3/4 and it has this print again on the sleeves. The material of this kurta is again cotton, but it is again a little thick, so keep this in mind. Overall, the material of this kurta is amazing. This whole kurta is amazing, so definitely give it a try. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. If you like this video, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, family and everyone you know. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon with it too, so that next time I upload a new video you will get notified, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.